Alright, got it running. At idle, it's 23 psi of oil pressure, maybe. Here's the lift ticket. Can't hear it out the exhaust, so I know it's not an exhaust lifter. And that's it.